This 2026 Winnebago Travato 59G is a Class B RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2026 Winnebago Travato 59G and is powered by a Ram 3.6 LV6 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.